9 a.m. You guys, we're fixing to head out, and I'm saying bye to my baby. Oh, my baby, I'm gonna miss you. She's gonna miss us. Ew. Yay. Last trip commencing.
9 in the morning. Who do you know about this lit?
Who you know? Bathroom break, period. Girl trip time. Tell the vlog what's the dilemma.
Toward me right now, looking
oh like shit, okay. She's mad as hell, y'all. That's the dilemma. What's the dilemma? One more time.
We have our clothes outside right now.
This is the dilemma. This right here, let me show y'all. This is our goddamn dilemma. Because Mark is ruining our girls trip and it hasn't even started. We have made it to our destination here in Dallas. There was a bit of a hold up because my cousin was at work. All of us need a shower because we are hella musty, dude. Like sweating from the top to the bottom. Everybody's so musty, sweaty. We're gonna get ready. And those are the vibes for right now. We still all have to do our makeup and stuff. What time is it right now, man? Do you know? 3:23. It is currently 3:23 right now, you guys. And we were here like what, 2? We were here at 2 o'clock, dude, and we waited outside on his front porch for an hour and 30 minutes, and he said he was getting out at 2:30. Dude, it's 3:30. Basically, he got out at 3:30 because we waited an hour on the freaking porch. And now we're sweating musty. I don't know.
Go right in the, like, towards the middle, it'll still be a little hottish. So you gotta kind of go more towards the. Depends on how hot you take it. I don't know how hot you take showers.
I feel like today we don't have enough time to like get dressed up and go all out. But wait.
But are you recording? Oh my god.
Say hi. Okay, you guys, so this is my cousin. This is where we came to stay here in Dallas. We're gonna be visiting him, and also he's gonna be taking us to do some fun things, you guys. We are now headed to go get some food, and I get front seat. We're headed to go grab something. Where are we going, Mark? You said Cheddar's, right? Mark said we're going to Cheddar's. Future me here. So we did get ready with you guys on TikTok and Facebook. If you guys want to go check that out, go follow my other social medias. And we were having the time of our life right here. Bye. Table for 6. Go somewhere. We literally just want to go somewhere and we're just trying to get out of here. But who cares? We have to wake up early. Still have a good time. Okay, you guys, so it is the next morning.
Recovering.
Yeah, we are definitely recovering from last night because last night we had one hell of a night, right now. We all woke up.
was like this.
Yeah, dude, we got bought free shots. We got free shots from a birthday girl there, which is pretty cool.
I just fucked up because it's her birthday.
Yeah, low-key. But
look at that card mine. Show them that weird ass truck.
everybody, look at the weird truck right there. We are fixing to go. Yeah, we are fixing to go eat breakfast right now. Everybody's taking their sweet time and they're still in the house. But I'm already out here. We're fixing to go eat breakfast. And then today we have a very fun day. We're going to be going to Hurricane Harbor. So I'm so excited. Are you excited? Yes, we are very excited. We're going to be going to Hurricane Harbor, and then after that, we're going to be hitting 7th Street, which we're going to be looking super cute. Go bar hopping, basically. Torta. I've never got a torta. He's saying he wants to get a torta. We left, we just left Miss A. Now we're here in this little like sale shop. It's called 599 store or some shit like that. 599 store, something like that. So we're just gonna be looking around here. Who said what? Who said what? I found me some shades because I desperately needed some. I thought they were cute. Yeah, I desperately needed some, so I went ahead and got some. What are you doing, Mark? He's gonna act like a fool. We're at the 7 Depot, is what it's called. Sorry. Not what I said. The wallflower fragrance was only $3.
It was like 30.
He got the panty dropper.
2 of them.
He got that mahogany teak wood. Tell them about that mahogany teak wood. Tell them.
Yeah, because the man said it's that panty dropper.
Yeah, the mahogany teak wood scent from Bath and Body Works. If you are a guy, you definitely need to buy that candle because I hear so many girls that rave about it. I feel like that is a panty dropper for sure. For sure.
It's 2.
Oh, that's cute. Period. She got that at Miss A. That's cute. We didn't end up going to Hurricane Harbor this day, but we did go the day after, and we just went here instead. We're fixing to go ride the go-karts. We made it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's Amy and Mark up there. They're fixing to go ride too on a little go-kart. Yeah! This is day 2 currently. We're here at this little go-karting place. Fixing to hop on some go-karts. We made it to the go-karts for the 2nd day. Period. Haven't been able to really do anything today, so I'm excited. Okay. I have to mute these next clips just because the bowling alley was playing loud music. Don't know if you caught the Justin Bieber in the last clip. But yeah, you guys, we went to bowling after we did the go-karts, and the go-karts were really fun. I didn't record any clips on that just because I didn't want my phone to be flying out. But then when we got to bowling, you guys, we didn't think that we were gonna have as much fun as we really did. You guys, this game turned very competitive between all 5 of us. It was very fun. Amy took first place the first round, and then I ended up winning first place the second round that we played, and we got to play 2 games, and then we ended up leaving bowling. These are the current vibes. Just chilling poolside with a little mixed drink. Oh, you guys, this is literally the life. Well, I've been waiting. Well, we've been waiting for all day just to relax.
The next day.
Here, see, there's the blue tail. The trunk.
We are now on the way to Hurricane Harbor. First, we're gonna go grab some sunscreen, head to Hurricane Harbor. Yeah, that's the next vibe, the next move for today. Say hi. We're swimming in the lazy river. We've been swimming for a little while here at the Hurricane Harbor, but I barely picked up the camera. Where y'all going? Say hi, bitch. Oh, she said thanks.
And she called her friends assholes.
No, we seen somebody's titty. I'm about what we seen somebody's titty. I know. That's what you're telling me.
And then she tells her. Instead of telling her the titty.
Well, it's better to tell her than not, right? He literally has a sunburn in the number 5. Look, Mark, it's literally like this. 5. Oh my.
Just forget.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're like, yeah, you're my teacher. Relaxing in the lazy river. Oh, Marco! He's gonna go under. Hola, Marco! Okay, Leanne, Jam. Now we're fixing to start vlogging. Those are 40. That means we're really? Who's drowning? Oh, there's Devony. I thought Devony was drowning because look, somebody's drowning. Somebody's drowning, look. Oh, look, everybody's swimming like this right here. Look. Look at there's the waves. Look. We're just kicking it right here at this little kiddie pool for the last 30 minutes.